FOS Epic Blinder, a blinder strobe fixture based on two 6-color, 475-watt light sources, and two rings with 64 RGB LEDs of 0.2 watts. With an IP65 protection rate against water and dust. '60 degrees beam angle for both LEDs. Red, green, blue, lime, amber, and cyan color mixing. Effect macros on the RGB rings with adjustable speed. For different dimmer curves. Modular design housing supports the interlocking of 4 fixtures horizontally or vertically. The interlocks are compatible with the FOS Epic strobe fixture. LCD display and touch buttons for accessing the options menu. Compatible with RDM and DMX controllable with a wide range of control channels.